So, before I start moving into this topic proper, I would love to take some questions from you regarding maybe depending on how far you've gone with affiliate marketing, and I know there are certain things you want to find out. So let's.
Mm, my question is all those they'll say get this URL, when you get this URL,
Mhm.
somebody buys from you. So where do you
Yeah.
post those URLs? Because I've been trying to check,
Okay.
maybe I'll check your Twitter account if I see you post anything like that or thereabouts.
Yeah. Okay. So, the basic affiliate marketing, what a newbie would do when they get into affiliate marketing is that they'll copy the affiliate link, they'll jump on everywhere and start pasting it up and down to see and try to gamble if they are going to make sales or not.
Yeah.
Now, there's no gamble to this. Whatever you do is what you get. It's a garbage in, garbage out scenario. Now, let's take, for example, so, or rather, instead of you going through that route,
Yeah.
there are ways you can decide to do blogging. You can decide to do email marketing, or you can decide to do WhatsApp marketing, which is the one you are really seeing everywhere, WhatsApp status and all of that stuff, right?
Yeah.
So, but then before you start doing all of these things, there are some things you have to have into consideration. There is something called a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps that your customer or your potential clients will have to go through from when they are prospects rather to when they get to customers.
Yeah.
So now what it means is that, let's take, for example, someone comes, first of all, there's a stage called awareness, then there's consideration, and
Yeah.
there's conversion. Now, for awareness, that is when they are, I don't want to eventually, I'm trying to jump at, like, this is like a master class, and it's going to, if I start going deeper, it's going to start getting confusing. But I
No,
just want to give, yeah, I want
if
to
it's
give it
serious of you, I'll let you know.
no, there are things that you will learn eventually when we get started.
Yeah.
Well, I want to like give you the layman, because the way I'm teaching it now, if I start talking about awareness, there are 5 stages of awareness. The moment I move into it, it's going to make everything confusing for you, because if I talk about 5 stages of awareness and I talk about consideration and I talk about conversion, it's more like I'm giving you a sales master class, and that's not what this session is really all about. So I want to keep it basic and simple, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
so now where you eventually send out your um the way where you send out or where you share your URL, like I told you, blogging is one, email marketing is one, WhatsApp marketing is another one. WhatsApp marketing is fast, which is why we tell newbies to start out with WhatsApp marketing. But if you have money, I would encourage you to move into email marketing, blogging, and WhatsApp marketing, like 3 of them. Of course, with experience, you get to understand how to manage them. But now for blogging is more like you are going to be providing value on your blog or your website. Then you post out valuable content. Like, you will have to do research and ask yourself, these people now that want to buy these things from me, what exactly are they looking for? What problems do they want to get solved? Then you start solving those problems for them, answering the solution, like giving them answers to the problem that they are looking for. And at the end of it, you are going to give out what is called a call to action, which is
Yeah.
click here to get started, or click here to learn, and hey, if you are interested in getting started, I made a free video that can teach you how to do this in this. Click here to find out more, or click here to learn more. And the reason why you want them to click there to learn more, you're not telling them to click here to buy, because most of the times these people are considered as product unaware, right? You want to get them to be aware of the product, or
Yeah.
some of them might not even know that they have a problem they want to solve. Like, that is me going back to stages of awareness. There's unaware, there's most aware, there's product aware, there's solution aware, there's problem aware. Like, those are the 5 stages. So people are unaware. Like, there are people that don't even know that they have a problem to start with. They are living life, but they don't know that that life they are living is actually a problem to them. So it's left for you to, there's something called a VSL, video sales letter, for you to, through your video sales later, to teach them and make them understand that, hey, you have a problem, or even through your adverts. Now, like talking about sales and all of that stuff, if you really want to, the advert I'm going to push out to people that are product aware is different from the advert I'm going to push out to people that don't even know that they have a problem at all at all. Now, if I'm pushing out a problem to people that don't even know they have a problem at all, I might just come from the angle of, have you been struggling with living your daily life and it seems like you just want to give up with life? Like you don't even understand where you are. You feel like everything is a waste and you are literally done with, like, you are literally at the edge and you just want to give up, and all of those stuff. I move them from that place. I move them to motivate. I say, chances are it's not your fault, right? So what is actually happening to you is something known as this. And I've taken out time to explain how you can get over this. In this number of video, in a 1 hour training video. Click here to watch more. Click here to find out how. Click here to learn more about this, right? Now, they don't know that I'm taking them to a place whereby they are going to get a product eventually. But I just move them from a place of where they are, the problem they are currently facing, right? Which is like giving up in life, right? To move them to a place where, okay, in that training, I'm going to break a couple of belief systems. And then when I break this belief system, I'm now going to make them understand that, okay, hey, for you to be able to, the reason why you are still in this place is because you'll not be able to redefine your purpose. And if you redefine your purpose, you'll be able to find out something to do that can give value to people, that can even make you have that sense of fulfillment. And now one of those things I can now tell them, and there are a couple of things that you can literally do, which is this. And I can now list out different solutions of which sales, affiliate marketing, and all of this stuff can be part of it. And then I can now tell them that if you're interested in any of this solution, then you are going to watch another video. Now, that other video is to get them to become solution aware. And that's where I now start teaching them about the concept of affiliate marketing. I now tell them the story of how it has been changing people's life. And then I now pitch the product to them for them to get started and all of that stuff. So it's like a journey. And you as a salesperson have to have it at the back of it. This is one of the reasons why most people are not winning in the game of affiliate marketing. They've failed to learn these things. And another thing is, you might see someone making millions today, and then tomorrow you might not see them hitting those millions anymore, right? They were just focused on the sales aspect. Now, there are things I tell people, do not for anything go and start lying to people because you just want to make money and all of that stuff. I tell them, see, be comfortable with the amount you are making and enjoy your learning process. Right? Be comfortable with whatever you are making now. Enjoy your learning process, knowing fully well that it's going to take you 10 years to live your desired dream life. So how you build it, the basic foundation is like about 2-3 years. So whatever you do within these 3 years is going to determine how the next 7 years is going to be for you. And if you are going to hit your desired goal in the next 10 years. So it's a whole lot. It's a gamble because it's a very difficult place to be in, where you are being ethical with your sales. So that will be all for now. And if you found this valuable, I'll make sure to link the full video right here where I went more in depth into it. So if you're interested in that, you can watch the video right here. And also don't forget to like and share this video to someone who will find it valuable. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out subsequent videos such as this, because I'll be dropping a full training on affiliate marketing. Make sure to check the link in the description. I'm going to link that particular video in the description. So once again, I'm mykailarisa, your friendly value mate. And remember, don't just get online, get noticed.